Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to EA Tactical Football. So today I'm going to show you how you can complete a challenge yourself in the beginner mission. So this is for beginner only who are new like me to the game. So I'm just complete the first challenge, Victory of Tutorial League. Let's tap. And I'm ranking 1 in Tutorial League, and you are also. Let's get back to main page or home page. So tap this one, the green one. So this is a beginner mission, day 2. And this is day 3. So you have to play total 1 Tutorial League matches, and the top reward is one League 1 Scout. So you will get League Scout about 10 tickets to summon player that may be fit into your team. So, and also this one, complete World Tour League Uber Eats is until stage 9. Let's see what league. Taps the World Tour. This one, League Uber Eats. You have to challenge yourself until stage 6. Currently, I'm just stage 1. So do this every day, beginner mission, to get all rewards. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.